So when Tony Royster Jr. was 12, he was playing stuff like this. It's pretty sweet. So we're going to try to imitate that today and break that down a little bit. Let's dive in. So let's start with the double pedal kind of linear groove. I've got notation for both of these that I built with Groove Scribe. That's from Mike's lessons. Those are in the links for those are in the description. But let's go ahead and break this down. So to play it really slow, let's go at just 100 BPM. And I like to kind of get the feel by playing just a single kick at first. And I get the vibe, and then I add in my other kick. We'll see how this goes. It might take a second for me to warm up. Here we go. 100 BPM. Okay, so it's really 6/8. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dan 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 dan. Right? So now up to tempo, it's like 130 BPM. We'll see how this sounds. Still working through this, so we'll see. Here we go. Okay, so that's what he's got going on. He gets the double pedal going. Ding, 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 ding. Look at the notation, play it real slow. But that's what I've been able to figure out by watching it, using the YouTube thing where I slow it down. That's pretty much what's going on there. So the next thing that I love is this little splash groove that he does. Let's see if I can play it up to tempo here. Okay, let's go way slower and break this down a little bit. Again, I'm not gonna go over all of the sticking or whatever. That's what the notation's for. Take a look at that. On Groove Scribe, you can slow stuff down as slow as you want, and you can hear it step by step and see where the rights and the lefts hit. But I'll play it slow here. Let's go to like 100 and see how slow that is. So when Tony plays it, it's super musical. You could tell there because I was slower, at a slower BPM, and I was trying to make sure I was staying on time. I kind of made some choices that weren't as musical. Pay attention to that. He has like a doom da doom ga-ding doom ga-da doom da ka-ba ga-ding doom ga-da. It's like higher and lower notes, and it's not just random sounds. He's going for a very specific doom ding ka-bam ba-ding doom ga-da. He can move that around, but it's not just hitting whatever's there. He's doing it, he's orchestrating it, right? So think about that. I'm going to play this one more time, and hopefully I can get a little bit more of that musicality going. But there's definitely swing to this. Ba-da-doom, ba-da-doom. It's not da-da-doom, da-da-doom, da-da-doom. Ba-da-doom, 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 ba-doom, ba-da-ba-doom, ba-da-doom, ba-da. Right? You got to feel that. Got to record yourself, pay attention to how you're sounding. But yeah, pump some swing into this. And yeah, I think it's like 128, maybe 130 that this is happening at. Let's go ahead and play it again, full speed, and try to be more musical. Here we go. So, Tony Royster Jr., this is a fantastic solo. I'm trying to work through bits and pieces of this. Again, he played this when he was 12, and it's just so groovy, so locked in, so technical, and he's so young. So, I mean, I'm trying to work up to certain parts of this, not even close to the way he plays it, but kind of a cool thing to shoot for. Great drummer, super inspirational. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great week. If you're having any trouble with your hand technique or foot technique, head over to tempoleague.com. Would love to help you out, and I sure hope you have a great week. See you next time.